Hello and welcome back to today's video. I'm excited to share with you how to create a face mask for achieving glass skin that glows. For dry skin, try this nourishing oatmeal mask. Recipe: nourishing oatmeal mask. 2 tablespoons oatmeal, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Mix all ingredients and apply to the face. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse with lukewarm water. Additional tips for dry skin: use gentle, hydrating products to help lock in moisture. Exfoliate carefully to avoid stripping your skin of its natural oils. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. For oily skin, try this detoxifying charcoal mask. Recipe: detoxifying charcoal mask. 1 teaspoon activated charcoal powder, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel. Mix all ingredients and apply to the face. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse with lukewarm water. Additional tips for oily skin: use oil-free products to avoid clogging pores. Exfoliate regularly to remove dead skin cells and unclog pores. Use a clay-based mask to absorb excess oil and purify the skin. If you have combination skin, don't worry. You can try one of these masks and adjust the ingredients based on your skin's needs. For example, if you have oily skin in the T-zone, you can use a clay-based mask in that area and a hydrating mask on the rest of your face. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. If you want to learn more about skincare routines and product recommendations, be sure to check out my other video on morning and night skincare routines for glowing skin.